Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video, and as you can see by my Sigma absolutely banging hair, we're playing a VR game. Yeah, playing a VR game. It's been a while since I've uploaded on the channel. I'm so sorry for not uploading. I've just been really busy. Anyways, it's actually been a while since I played VR. But last time you saw me play VR, I was on the MetaQuest 2. I finally got a MetaQuest 3. I know it's been out for like, what, a year now, but I finally got it. Finally. Oh my gosh. I'm sorry. I just wanted to let you know that. Anyways, let's get into the video. Make sure to like and subscribe, guys. Hope you enjoy it. Yo, what's up guys? It has been a while since I played VR, or it's been a while since I've actually uploaded on this channel. So today we are a bird, as you can see. So let's just have fun. So as it's Christmas, of course, have a nice Christmas. It is snowing.
Excuses will be accepted in triplicate later.
Okay, so I think you heard the speaking there, the background. I think that's because the mayor is like doing I don't know, a thingy-majiggy. I don't know what to call it. Hello. Ooh. Oh. No.
Ongoing. Address in progress.
Hello.
Report to the main square and look
So
purposeful.
guys, don't tell him. I'm gonna go in and swoop. Like, can I just go in and swoop him? Like, I can literally just go down and swoop someone, but I'm gonna do it to the mayor. And also, this kind of looks like GTA. I have like stars.
I support free speech and fewer screeches.
I really need to get to my base. Oh! Yo, I took the mayor of my base. No way, I've never done that. Oh my gosh. I think we have to end it. No way, that's crazy. Oh my god.
That's enough cardio for today.
Wow, I've never done that. Whoa. That felt so good. Oh, can I fly up?
He's out!
Wow, that was loud, okay. Why is there an exclamation mark? I've never seen that. Wait, why? What the heck? No! I didn't click that. Whatever. Why is there an exclamation mark?
W's wiggle.
There we go. Yep. Yeah, you're good. You're good. Let's see what happened. Oh, I'm feeling. I'm following. I want to follow him. Oh. What the hell? Where'd he go? Where did he go? Oh, whatever. Anyways, let's just swoop this guy. Let's just find some peace with him and then go. Bye. Oh, I'm about to score a goal real quick. Still scored a goal. Alright, whatever. Let's get the sniper.
Call it stand ease.
I can just see through it. Just shit through it.
No eyes.
Resume patrol.
I saw something. I really need this. Oh my gosh! It's Wendy! What? Wendy, it's Wendy, bro. Can't read it. Let me read it. Wenya. I don't know what to read. I've 0.006 IQ. Please tell me how to read and tell me what that says. What are those eggs? What? What is that? Oh, it's a duck. I mean, a chick. Can I grab the chick and fly with it? No way. Oh! Oh, I'm sorry. I'm so dumb. Oh! I could have saved the chick. I could have saved the chick. Bro, why'd I do that? Oh my gosh, I'm so why did I do that? I have completed all the quests, but I don't think I've ever seen those exclamation mark things. Probably because of the new update.
5 minutes out, promise. Heart keeps time with crosswalk beeps.
Hello, are you selling
30 seconds.
some hot
Report to
dogs?
the main square and silence
Can I have
your
one?
rebellious snacks.
Yeah? Is that fine?
Posture cooperates for once.
Oh! Oh, hell no. I won't eat it, I swear, I promise, I'll just drop it in the water. There we go. See? I didn't eat it. That's not a crime. Coco Chanel, Coco Chanel, Coco Chanel, Coco Chanel.
Fatal error. No
Apparently
bird
this is one
found.
shot. I don't think it's one shot. I'm gonna try. Let me see if this is one shot. It's not. It's two shots. Okay, nice. I need to get my brother. Oh, damn. No, bro. Oh, oh, oh my gosh. I'm a bird. Come here. Oh, it's an accident! I swear it's an accident. Nah, actually, can I swoop and get it? I can. Oh. How do you see? Literally how? How? Literally how do you see? There we go. How do you see? Damn, I got some skills. I need 1,400.
Trail's cold, wrap it up.
Oh yeah, I forgot I can do it.
Down front.
No. Wait, I got. Oh no, I got it. So. anyways, guys, I think I'm gonna end the video here. If you want to see more of this or just more VR in general, make sure to like and subscribe and also comment. Bye,
Search
guys.
ends here.